This is Project Oso Flaco, an ECD Custom Defender 110 built to our client's exact specification. Oso Flaco is painted in full gloss bonatti grey with black accents all round. Oso Flaco sits on 18-inch sawtooth black wheels with our BFG all-terrain tyres. This 110 features a full external roll cage and ladder, 2 rear work lights, one on each side, and a raptor line steering guard. Inside, Oso Flaco features a nardi gara steering wheel with V8 red gauges, 2 corbeau trailcat heated front and mid-row seats, and 2 inward-facing benches in the load area. Each seat is wrapped in a Nappa Porsche tan leather with horizontal stitch pattern. Door cards and centre console are finished in a contrasting Porsche black leather. Oso Flaco is powered by our 6.2 litre LS3 engine with 6-speed automatic transmission. This 110 also features an array of modern elements such as JL Audio sound system, Bluetooth audio, wireless charging and access to USB ports throughout. Oso Flaco is a very subtle, luxurious and well-appointed machine that will make for an excellent daily ride for our client. Sometimes the best vehicles are those that are kept relatively simple with the right upgrades where it counts. This vehicle is a true testament to that.